Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the Speedo cable on this Triumph Spitfire. Okay, so there's two actual ways you can do it. One is you can jack it up, okay, and you can get it from there. Or two, you can take out the Gearbox transmission cover to get easy access. On this particular video, I'm going to do the Gearbox transmission cover so that you can see better, but the principles are all the same. So the cable's got two ends. It's got this end which goes into the back of the Speedo, and then this end which goes into the gearbox. I've removed the transmission cover already, but don't worry, there is a video in the comments section on how to do it. Now if you are going to go underneath the car to undo it, it's really, really tight. You've got to get through that gap to undo that. And I'd recommend using some sort of grip pliers to get around that. So he's got tiny little Allen keys. I think just slightly bigger than 1.5 mil. Just going to try and remove them, and then you take the knobs off. The whole thing should be able to, this whole bit should come off. Obviously remove the screws as well. That's one. I'll do the other one as well. Now that's removed, you can drop that down, and on the back you can just about get that cable, okay? There's no chance you can get to it from underneath. There's just too much stuff in the way. So the other thing I've done is undone this choke just to give me a bit more space, and then you put your hand through and push it down, whilst your other hand is down there pulling on the other end of the cable, okay? Or get someone to hold the cable down there and pull it as you push down on the little clip. So this bit will be hard to grip, so I'm just literally just using one of these, and yeah, like I said, if you go underneath, it's pretty hard to get in there, and I'm going to remove this so I can hopefully get a bit more room on the Speedo side. Now if you look where the steering wheel is, just there's your cable. Pull that out. That was an absolute pig, and I mean we're going to return that back to the car, this rubber grommet. So as you can see, I put the rubber grommet back on. Just going to thread that through there. Thread loads of cable through, so you've got loads to play with. And we're going to plug that side in first, and then we're going to put the grommet on, and then we're going to put that end on the gear. I just use pliers on that metal bit there. I'll just point it to you if I can. Just there, and pushed it in whilst pushing on the dash, and it clicks in. Next, we're going to WD-40 them threads, get them nice and clean, or any sort of degreaser, and then we're gonna put the gearbox side on. So I'll tighten it up. Obviously, this goes onto plastic threads, so you don't want to over tighten it, but at the same time, if you don't tighten it enough, you'll just snap the internal cable and it won't work. You have to do all this again. Much for watching. Please check out the comments, and I've got a playlist for all Triumph Spitfire maintenance, and please make sure you like and subscribe.